Hi guys, how are you? Lot of goods. The haircut, makeup. Goodbye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is about this look. Yes, so if you have not subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button down below and click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video without wasting much of your time. Let's get the video rolling.
2, 3, funky.
Okay guys, I'm moisturizing my lips with the Vaseline lip moisturizer. I'm setting my brows with my Floma Cosmetics loose powder in the shade Light Sand. To outline my brows, I'm using the what's the name? The Cosmetics Art brow pencil in the shade Black to outline my brows. To fill that in, I'll be using the same Cosmetic Art brow pencil in the shade Brown to fill my brows. As so. Yes, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe before you continue. I won't continue. Okay, to clean my brows, I'm using the BH Cosmetics foundation / or stroke foundation stroke concealer palette. I can't kill myself to clean my brow. Yes, and I'm using that same concealer to clean the upper part of my brow. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe down below. Yes, so to clean the excess concealer, I'm using this fluffy brush, and I'll be using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Yes, and don't mind my boss son in my intro. These are the colors I'll be using. Yes, these 3 colors. Yes. So the first one is this one. The first one is this one. Whatever. I'm going in with this first shade. And you see how I'm packing it on. I pack, then I sweep. So with no product, no product, I'm diffusing the edge. Yes, diffusing the excess product at the top part of my brow, if that makes sense. So I'm going in with that a dark brown shade I show you guys in my crease to kind of create the illusion of a darker reddish shade, if that makes sense. Going back with this same clean brush without product to blend. Blend oh. So my last shade is this reddish pinkish shade right here, and I'm using my finger to pack that on. To line my eyes, I'm using the Floma Cosmetics, is it vinyl or vinyl eyeliner? Please help me, you consider me. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Is it vinyl, whatever, to outline my brows. Please, if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button. Click it. Okay, let's continue. I'm just trying to do some shakara wink, but all is well. Now I'm putting my lashes on. Always remember to tuck in your lashes. Tuck it in. Yes, like this. To prime my face, I'm using the Pond's primer to prime my face, and I use a little bit more of that primer. To conceal my dark spot, I use this orange corrector to kind of hide my dark spot because it's becoming annoying. Yes, and I'm using my foundation brush. I'm using my foundation brush to kind of blend it in. My foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me Poreless foundation in the shade Mocha, congratulations. Okay, let's blend. Please remember to blend. Oh, blend. But I don't know. Just trust the process. While I was filming this, or while I was editing this video, okay, I thought my foundation didn't match my neck for some reason. I don't know, but this is the foundation I've been using for a while now. Now to highlight, I'm using the Floma Cosmetics Perfect Coverage Concealer in the shade Dark. But I'll be adding a little bit of the BH Cosmetics Perfect BH Cosmetics concealer that I used to clean my brows. Yes, I'm using that in the inner corners of my eye, inner corners of my under eye. So to blend that in, I'm using my foundation brush as you see me do. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you are watching me to this side, guys, you are the real MVP. May God richly bless you. Hey, I love you guys. I love you, die. Okay, let's continue. Blend. Oh, just keep on blending. Blend as if your life depends on it. Just blend and trust the process. Sometimes you see this process and I'll be like, what is this messy thing on her face? But just trust the process. To contour, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony. Please don't mind this noise in my background. That's my stupid AC is making noise. In the shade Ebony to contour. And it's looking messy. It's still looking messy. Just trust me. So I'm going in with my foundation brush to further blend that, which I skip it. To set the places where I highlighted, I'll be using my powder from my Cosmetics Loose Powder in the shade Light Sand. Yes, this is Light Sand because I used 2 powders, which you see the next one in a bit. So I set those places with the light sand. Just push that powder into your skin. Push it. Press it. Press it into your skin. Try to define your nose contouring with that powder as well. And remember to fill in your smile lines if you have any. So I'm going in with the bronze sand to set my entire face. To bronze my face or to set the places where I contoured, I'm going in with the Nikak Dual Contour to do that. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Keep on watching. And I'm setting my nose contouring. I'm using my flat brush. In doing that, I use my flat foundation brush because I love the fact that it is flat and precise. So my blush is from Nikak Dual Blush. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So now I'm just using my brush and my powder, which is from Banos, I think, to dust off the excess powder on my face. To highlight, I'm using my Catrice the Ultimate Chrome highlighter to highlight the apple of my cheeks. This thing is still looking messy, but just trust me and keep on watching. Trust me and keep on watching. And I used a little bit of the highlighter on the tip of my nose and yes, and what am I saying? And remember to highlight your brow bone using this Forever 52 Kohl pencil to highlight my lower lash area, my lower lash line. And I'm using the same colors I use for my eyeshadow to smoke out my lower lash area. So I'm going in with the Floma lip pencil, but I forgot the number, to outline my lips. As I'm doing. Yes. So this is a nude lipstick, that's a nude no name lipstick. Blend your lips. Go in with this Floma, I'm Pretty by Floma lip gloss, to give my lips some glossy look. Yeah, like this. So let me just gist you. My setting spray, I bought a new setting spray from Floma, and it has this perfume. Yes, this is makeup fix spray. It has this perfume in it. Is it perfume? This fragrance in it that I don't actually like. Hash, or how do you say it? Fragrance that are too strong. Yes. So that's why you see me squeezing my face as if I've been given poison. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below, and remember to click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. This is our final look, as you guys can see. So please comment down below what you think about the look and what you want to see next on my next video. Bye.